Fourth year is not so interesting.
I have seen a lot of changes in myself.
So we were the first batch who gave CUET, so it was pretty basic back then.
I'm getting a good college life.
How's your overall experience in this college till now?
The course is very rigorous because we are economics students, but overall it's nice. If you keep up with the pace, it's good. Till third year of the like, fourth year is not so interesting.
I have seen a lot of changes in myself.
Which type of company college provides to students?
Majorly the consulting and the finance companies, target SRCC students, and even the SRCC students are willing to enter in the field of consulting and finance. And if we go to the A2 category, so there will be the varieties of the roles that the company will offer.
Yeah, for placements, I believe SSIC has done a great job. We get a lot of companies, the tier 1 consulting and finance company. We got McKinsey, BCG, we got Morgan Stanley.
Yeah, a lot of companies come. I think that's the major point of this college, that a lot of opportunities are there.
There are different companies, consulting companies aati hai, and they come from different roles as well. There are more than 12 LPA packages, less than 12 LPA packages.
So is there 100% placement?
No, not at all.
Mainly जो maximum companies आती हैं, they are from consulting side and then from finance side.
100% placement है.
100% नहीं, कुछ बच जाते हैं at the end.
How strict is the attendance of this college?
Now it is strict. If you are a student, like if you enter college, I think you should maintain 75% attendance because it affects your placements.
Yeah, it is fairly strict. You need about 75% to sit in placement, internship, or avail any other benefits like hostels.
Or if the student have less than 75, so
Usually it is sorted, but if you have very low attendance, they can cause some issues.
so like any preparation or strategy before coming this college for CUET exam?
Mostly I prefer self-study, and I used to go to the library and do some self-study there, and also some YouTube channels for preparation, and through that I cracked this SRCC.
एक बुक आती टुगेदर विद करके, मैंने तो वही काफ़ी ज़्यादा पढ़ी थी, और फिर लाइक कहीं पे अगर कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट अगर वीक था, मैंने वो रिवाइज कर लिया था जो मेरी 12th की बुक थी.
So we were the first batch who gave CUET, so it was pretty basic back then. I did NCRT only. So. Yeah, I think stick to NCRT and mocks as well.